Hi science class, I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a while since we were able to see each other, so I thought for today's class I'd make a video. So I just wanted to say how impressed I am with all of your hard work in our classes. I was blown away with how creative you guys were with your amazing creations that recycled paper and plastic. So awesome job on that. For today's class, as you know, you have your test, so I thought I would go over that with you. So your test is going to have 4 parts. For part 1, you have a vocabulary box with 6 words. You have the words physical, vaporization, matter, chemical, melting, and scientific. So you can only use the word one time, and you're going to fill in the blanks with the words. For part 2 is a short answer. So the question asks you, what is the main difference between a chemical and a physical change? As a hint, remember the activity you guys did where you had to match the different items under the appropriate categories. So remember that. And then it asks you just what's the main difference? What's the difference between a physical and a chemical change? For question number 2, it asks you to name the 3 states of matter. So we've been talking quite a bit about the 3 states of matter. So you're going to just write down what they are. For part 3, we have some true or false questions. So you have 5 questions, and in the blank here, please write the word either true or false. And then for part 4, you have a chart, and you're going to fill in the chart. Right, so you're going to fill in the table below. You have your 3 categories. You have a solid, liquid, and a gas. And then it asks you to, for the first box for each of these, draw the particles in each state of matter. So what would the particles look like in a solid? What would they look like in a liquid? And what would they look like in a gas? And then underneath it asks you to list 2 examples of each state of matter. So here you'll list 2 examples of solids. What are 2 examples of liquids? And then what are 2 examples of a gas? And then I've also attached a bonus question. So your bonus question is, how does plastic hurt our environment? So remember, you guys watched a video on how paper and plastic was made. So thinking about that video, how does plastic hurt our environment? So how does making plastic hurt our environment? Or you can talk about how does plastic, once it's already been created, how does that hurt our environment? So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. You guys have until Sunday to submit your test, so please take your time, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye!